Welcome to Baobab Alley. Listen, this is the place in Angola with the most biggest of big baobabs. So right behind me here is the biggest single baobab in Africa. So I'll just show you. Our convoy goes right past, right around. There's Johnny, right around. And there's baobabs here behind. So this is one moor of a moor, single big baobab. So when they measure baobabs, they take a tape and they literally go like this, and they measure a baobab, and this one was measured to be the biggest in Africa, if not the world. This is moor impressive, like the whole convoy is around this baobab. But as you can see, as far as the eye can see, just baobabs everywhere you can see. Just baobabs, the old giants of Africa. Right, so onwards and forwards. There's another one, there's another one, there's another one. Baobab Alley, Angola.